So things might look a little different. Just upgraded to a GoPro Hero 6 for the vlog. Long story short, better stabilization, higher resolution at a higher frame rate, which gives me a little bit more levity for editing. And supposedly the audio is better on this, although I have an external microphone coming, which will definitely make it better. Long story short, it's a waterproof camera. Inherently, it doesn't need a case to be waterproof, but it's waterproof membrane speakers, or microphones, so we'll see about the audio quality. But definitely should be better than before, better high dynamic range, so when we're filming the haunt at night, it should look better. And we'll do a video in the future over the camera rig itself, but suffice to say, we'll now be uploading in 2K instead of 4K. I can film 4K, but my computer can't handle 4K. So as I upgrade the computer, we'll be moving into 4K, but that's probably next year. So upgrades there. We just got ourselves a zombie paintball mask from Outlaw Haunt Productions. It is a latex mask. It smells pretty fresh, pretty strong smell to it, but it's a good looking mask. I think it's called Boil, if I remember correctly. And this is one of the extra thick, as you can see here, the material is really nice and thick for zombie paintball. So it's going to hold up to the assault and the barrage. And it's oversized for the paintball masks to go inside to protect the actor. So excited about that. The guys at Outlaw Haunt Productions got this out to us very quick. It turns out they're actually Creamy Acres Night of Terror in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. So just around the corner from us. Also today, we got some of our flyers and our little miniature flyers that we hand out, put all around town. 500 pack of these from, what was the vendor? Got Print. G-O-T-P-R-A-N-T. $22 for 500. They look pretty good. We're going to have these things all over town in no time. Be handing them out hopefully at a couple upcoming conventions and shows around town. So, not bad. Cheap printing and a good mask from some local haunters. So glad to support them.